Keep your hands to yourself. Wait your turn, David. It's cutting. I don't care who started it. Wow. It's like they both did. Mommy. David, recess is over. Oh yeah. David, recess is over. Man, David missing out the class. Shh. Go, go, go. Again. What's it, Mister? Your story after school. David, have you finished? Wow, David just doing good. Good job, David. Wow, you got a star. That's awesome. Yes, David, you can go home now. I'm done.
Good job.
Guess what my favorite one is?
What?
The No David when he goes to school with no pants.
Oh my goodness.
I think Ronnie got the one with no pants.